What makes this business different from other online opportunities? What sets it apart from other online opportunities? For starters, is the comprehensive training and support you receive. You are not left alone to figure things out on your own. You get step-by-step guidance, mentorship, coaching, and a supportive community to help you succeed in this business. The business model is proven with real products and services that people want. Plus, the flexibility is unmatchable. You can work from anywhere, schedule your own time anytime you feel like it's okay for you. You schedule the time. It's genuine opportunity to build something sustainable and profitable. If you are looking for a real supportive and a flexible way to achieve financial independence, this is it.